Reflections shining in the rain. I walk alone beneath the lights, searching through these endless nights. Every corner holds a memory. Every shadow like you to me. I tried to leave the past behind, but your image stays inside my mind. And I still believe that somewhere you still in my mind. The morning comes so quietly, but something still is calling me. A distant voice across the sky, telling me I shouldn't say goodbye. Maybe love can cross the years, maybe dreams can conquer fears. If I could turn the world around, I'd follow your voice through every sound. And I still believe that somewhere you remember me. After the rain, I will find you again. When the clouds disappear and the night becomes clear. I will find you someday.